Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Darshan and you are watching our channel Placement Talks. So I am here with one of the opportunity at Micron Technology. So Micron Technology started hiring freshers for UI and UX designer role. So one important notice, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon. So you will be receiving all the job notifications daily. I will be updating daily job updates here. So let us start today's video. So as I said, Micron Technology is hiring freshers for UI/UX designer role. So Micron Technology is a company where its vision is to change the world users in the data to improve the deviation in individuals. So the organization name is Micron Technology. The position will be UX designer. The location would be Hyderabad, India, and the batch is 2021 batch students. Only freshers can apply for this job, that too 2021 passouts. So if you want the daily job updates, then you can join our Telegram group. The link is given here as well as the link is given in the description box. Let's see who can all apply for this role. Bachelor students, in the sense BE, BTech students can apply. If you are doing masters in degrees, then you can apply for this. If you are doing a BSc in UI design and development, then you can apply for this. And you have a BSc degree in automation graphics, then you can apply for this. So if you have any certifications related to this, in the sense UI configuration or UX design or any certifications like HTML and CSS, then it will be a plus point for you. So let us check what are the skills required for this. The main is you must be a good in English communication, and hard skills like coding, debugging, planning and improvements, and building up a client focus cycle, etc. are the some of the hard skills required. And soft skills, for example, communication skill, cooperation with the work, eye to detail, and some of the etc. skills. So all the expected set of responsibilities are listed in this article. You can read this from the description box. The link is given there. For example, planning and executing the new plans or streaming executing of UI plans, etc. The all set of responsibilities are listed in this article. You can read it one by one later. So now let us see how you can apply for this, where you will be finding the application link. So I have given the application link in the description box. After opening that link, you will be redirected to this site. So here you can see two options for applying this role. So you can choose any one option, and when you click on that, you will be redirected to the official website where you will be finding the application form. So here you can see, here also they have mentioned the role is UX designer for freshers, and they have clearly mentioned that 2021 passouts fresh graduates with UX design subject can only apply for this role. So here also they have given all the job description, the degree required, certifications, and the skill set required, soft skills, hard skills, all are listed in this article. So how you can apply? When you click on apply now, you will be finding two options. One is you can apply from your LinkedIn account. If you click on that, application will be filled using your LinkedIn account. If you want, you can manually apply by using apply now button. If you are facing any issues, then you can comment me in comment section. I will be very happy to help you out. So that's it for today. To get daily notifications, subscribe to our channel. You can also join our Telegram groups for the job notifications. The links are given in the description box. You can also follow us on our Instagram. Thank you.